Eric, thanks so much. The coronavirus stay-home orders have most of us driving less, so the roads are empty and traffic accidents are way down.
Yeah, we've been seeing that for the last few weeks. And this is why some consumer groups, started lobbying car insurance companies last month to lower premiums. Consumer expert Amy Davis is explaining how much you will get and what you can do if your insurance company is not planning to give you some of your money back.
One of the factors that goes into determining how much you'll pay for car insurance is how many miles you typically drive. Well, when the Consumer Federation of America realized back in mid-March that we were all driving way less, they wrote letters to the insurance commissioners of all 50 states.
You've got to act on this because the rates are clearly excessive. People aren't driving, therefore they need to have lower charges.
That was the crux of this letter Bob Hunter mailed out that was met with crickets.
The insurance industry's initial reaction back in the middle of March was, we don't have to do that. You don't know what you're talking about.
Fast forward to April 6th, when Allstate announced it would pay every customer 15% of their premiums for the months of April and May.
People are driving a whole lot less. That means less accidents, and we thought, the right thing to do is to act quickly.
Each Allstate customer will receive, on average, about $60. The announcement sent other major auto insurers racing to also do the right thing. Geico giving back 15% of customers' total premiums when they renew their policy between April and October. Liberty Mutual giving back 15% of 2 months of premiums.
It's no longer a debate about should we do it at all. Now the debate is going to move on to what is the right amount. We think 15% is way too low.
Farmers Insurance upped the ante, giving customers back 25% of their April premiums. USAA doing the same, but refunding 20% of 2 months of premiums in the form of a credit. But what if your insurer is State Farm or one of the last holdouts not offering money back? Hunter says you should pick up the phone and call them.
Look, Allstate's done it. Progressive has done it. Where are you?
And if you tweet the company, use the hashtag #GiveMeACOVIDBreak. We do want to point out that not every car insurance company will mail you a check. Allstate will if you download the Allstate app and request it there. Otherwise, many companies are just giving you a credit on a future bill. And keep in mind, some of those companies are requiring that you renew your insurance policy to get the credit, money that you've already paid on your current policy. I'm consumer expert Amy Davis, KPRC, Channel 2 News.